Have you ever felt like your English disappears the moment you try to speak? You know the words, you know the grammar, but when it's time to open your mouth, everything gets stuck and your mind goes blank. What if I told you the secret is not speaking fast, not using big vocabulary, but learning how to speak English slowly but powerfully? Stay with me till the end, because today we'll explore a simple method that can transform your English fluency step by step. This isn't about memorizing boring rules. This is about training your brain to think clearly, speak confidently, and finally enjoy real English conversations. When most English learners imagine fluency, they picture speaking quickly like a native. But here's the truth: speed doesn't equal fluency. Fluency is about being understood, about expressing your ideas clearly and confidently. Speaking slowly gives your brain time to think. It gives your mouth time to form the words correctly, and it gives your listener time to understand your meaning. Think about famous leaders and great speakers. Do they rush? No. They pause. They emphasize. They allow silence to make their words stronger. You can do the same with English. By slowing down, you create rhythm, and rhythm makes language beautiful. Now let's connect this to reading. Many learners read difficult novels or complicated articles. They get lost, frustrated, and give up. Instead, try using a graded reader. A graded reader is a book written in simple English, carefully designed for learners. The vocabulary is controlled. The grammar is natural, and the stories are interesting. When you read aloud from a graded reader, something powerful happens. You practice pronunciation without pressure, you learn natural sentence flow, and you train your brain to think in English slowly but steadily. This is not childish, it's smart training. Just like athletes use lighter weights before lifting heavier ones, you can use simpler English to build real fluency. Here's a simple method you can try today. Step 1. Pick a short text from a graded reader. Read it silently once. Step 2. Read it aloud, slowly, word by word. Focus on clarity, not speed. Step 3. Read it again, this time in phrases, not individual words. Let your voice rise and fall naturally. Step 4. Record yourself. Listen back. Notice which words sound strong and which need more practice. Step 5. Repeat daily, just 5 minutes at a time. This daily habit creates deep muscle memory. Over time, you'll notice your speaking becomes smoother, your pronunciation sharper, and your confidence stronger. Why does this method work so well? Because speaking slowly reduces fear. When you rush, your brain panics. You worry about mistakes. You feel embarrassed. But when you slow down, you take control. You breathe. You pause. You feel calm. Native speakers respect clear communication more than speed. Think about international meetings. People from different countries speak English together. Do they talk fast? No. They slow down. They choose simple words, and they focus on understanding. That's real fluency, connection, not perfection. Many learners try to memorize long lists of vocabulary. They try to copy native slang. They try to speak faster than they can think. These mistakes create frustration. Instead, focus on 3 things. 1. Build strong pronunciation through slow practice. 2. Grow your vocabulary naturally through graded readers. 3. Measure progress by clarity, not speed. Remember, a slow, confident speaker will always sound more fluent than a fast, confused one. English is not only words, it's music. Every sentence has rhythm, stress, and melody. When you speak slowly, you begin to hear that music. For example, I want to go to the market. Listen, the stress falls on want and market. Speaking slowly helps you notice these patterns. Over time, you'll sound more natural, more like a storyteller, not a textbook reader. Try this. Read one sentence 3 times. First, slowly and flat. Second, slowly with rhythm. Third, naturally, as if you're speaking to a friend. Feel the difference. That's the secret rhythm of English fluency. The goal is not to sound perfect in 1 week. The goal is steady growth. Every time you read, speak, or even listen, you are training your English muscles. Think of it like learning guitar or swimming. You cannot rush. You must repeat slowly, carefully, until your body remembers. So, create a daily habit. 5 minutes of slow reading, 5 minutes of slow speaking. That's it. In 1 month, you'll notice the difference. In 6 months, others will notice too. Imagine this. You meet someone new. Instead of freezing, you smile, breathe, and speak slowly. Hello, nice to meet you. Simple, clear, confident. They understand you. The conversation continues. That's real success. Whether you're in an interview, a classroom, or traveling abroad, slow but powerful English will always give you an advantage. Because communication is not about speed. It's about connection. So remember, don't rush your English. Speak slowly but powerfully. Use graded readers. Practice daily. Focus on rhythm and clarity. Over time, you'll see your confidence grow, your fluency improve, and your fear disappear. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simple and powerful English fluency lessons. Your journey to confident English starts today, one slow, clear step at a time.